If you're here, it's probably because a loved one has passed away and things just don't feel right. Maybe you've been disinherited. Maybe your inheritance was unexpectedly reduced. Or maybe you're a beneficiary, but you're being left in the dark. You have questions, but no one seems to be giving you answers. Documents you expected to see aren't being shared. Decisions are being made without your involvement. And every step forward seems to raise more questions than answers. You're hurt, you're angry, you're confused. You feel powerless, lost, and overwhelmed by a system you just don't understand. I know because I've been there. When my mother passed away, my five siblings and I discovered that we had been disinherited, and one brother was named the sole beneficiary. We were hurt, we were angry, and we wanted answers. We wanted to fight back, but we couldn't afford to hire a lawyer. And when we decided to represent ourselves, we discovered there was very little information out there for people like us trying to navigate probate litigation on our own. Most of what we found focused on estate planning, how to create a trust or a will, not how to challenge one. I'm a university lecturer with a doctorate in education and learning technology. For years, I've taught science, research writing, environmental justice, and activism. I taught students how to research complex issues, collect and evaluate evidence, identify credible sources, organize information, and build a clear, fact supported argument. When I found myself in probate court, I approached it the same way I would any complex subject. I took those same skills I try to teach my students and applied them to probate litigation. In many ways, I saw the system through the eyes of my students. The terminology was unfamiliar, the procedures were confusing, and the learning curve felt overwhelming. But I also believed my students could learn difficult things if they had the right guidance, the right tools, and a clear path forward. So, as I learned how I expected my students to learn, I started collecting evidence, organizing the information, creating frameworks, and breaking the process into smaller, more manageable pieces. Today, I apply those same teaching principles here. My goal is not to give legal advice. My goal is to help you understand the process, learn the vocabulary, evaluate the evidence, and make informed decisions about your next steps. If this sounds like where you are right now, I invite you to subscribe and explore the resources on this channel. And if you're just getting started, take the free quiz and receive a free evidence checklist linked in the comment below. Welcome, and I'm glad you're here.